Start by drawing a large oval for Zeno's head. This will be the base shape. Zeno has a very simple and rounded body shape. Add a horizontal line across the middle of the head oval to mark the eye level. On either side of the head, draw two small semicircular shapes for the ears. Add the final details to Zeno's outfit, such as the collar and the patterns on the robe. Use references image if needed to get the details right. Erase any unnecessary guidelines to clean up your drawing. If you have colored pencil or markers, you can now color Zeno. His skin is blue and his outfit is a mix of red, yellow and white. Feel free to get creative with the colors. And there you have it, you have just drawn Zeno from Dragon Ball Super. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your suggestion for future tutorials. Until next time, keep drawing and stay creative. See you next time.